Hi, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. My name's Marie. My business, social media handles, website, and YouTube channel are Mareevuitton. In this series, I'm going to give you the short form videos of the most used how-tos in Studio Designer. These videos are the remake of last year's how-to series, but you may have noticed that Studio Designer got a bit of a facelift in 2025. That prompted me to reshoot all these videos to help the new users because the screen is going to look a bit different. Okay, the processes and teachings, my tips and tricks remain the same. But again, I just want to make sure that I reshoot them because of the way that it looks different on screen. Okay, so as always, please leave your feedback and questions in the comment section and be sure to hit the thumbs up button if you found the video useful. Subscribe to stay updated. Now let's dive in. In this video, we're going to go over choosing your check format. Okay. Once you get ready to print your first check, you're going to want to obviously order check stock, and then you're going to go into accounting, money out. I'm just going to take one of my templates that I have here below. And I'm going to select print. I'm going to wipe out the check number here. I'm just setting this up. Whoops. And I'm going to unselect hold. So I'm just going to go ahead and print it for $5,000 to the Amex. And you can see here that when I save and close, the red print check comes up. Okay. This is the beginning check number. You can change that to whatever check number you have. I'll show you where to change the default so you do have the right numbers showing up. But typically, whatever you do here, it's going to continue to take the next number. Okay, so I'm just going to put 1,000 as the check number. And what you're going to do is you're going to click print checks. And in through here, you have the ability, if you were doing a big check run, to isolate, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to go here and start selecting check forms. You can see there's a bunch of them here. I know that this is kind of a nuisance, but if you don't want to go through each check form, you can email info@Mareevuitton. Leave a comment below, but definitely email me and I will send you the PDF that has all the check forms so you can kind of get an idea. But if you want to play with it on your own, you can just take a printout. And what I would do with this is I would go ahead and save this. You can print it or you can save it, but this has all the information for how this check format prints. Okay, these are associated with the different check formats that you can purchase from your bank or order them online or whatever. That's why there's all these different formats. And I would just go through and I would print these. That's what I did to get the PDF. I just wrote what they were, what formats they were, and saved them all. So yeah, this is kind of, you can kind of see that we're getting a bunch of different check formats now. And you're just going to select the one that works for you. Okay, so you can see this one kind of prints almost to the edge. And you'd also can see how many of the way the check stock is. Like some of them have the check in the middle and then the two stubs at, on either side. So you're just going to select the one that matches. Okay, and once you do that and you're satisfied and you know that that's the one that works, you've printed a check and it's fine. Okay, I'm going to save that and act like we've printed that check. But what you're going to do is you're going to go into settings, my company, codes, and then you're going to go down here. Let's see, where is it at? Oh, here it is. Check forms. And then you're going to have it default to whatever check format you matched up with your check. So I'll just pick this one, and I'm going to save and close. And now going forward, I'll go back to money out. When we go to print and see how it's now taking the next check number, it's also asking me if I want to post it, but it's going to be automatic and it will select whatever one we had it default to going forward. So you don't have to do that. Okay, if there's any questions about what I've said, leave them in the comments below. Check out the video on how to print checks and reprint checks.